Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you here at Caesars Palace, Las Vegas. Let's take a look inside. I'm struggling with the door a little bit, but that's okay. Making our way to the main entrance. As you can see, is the hallway. You have a mirror to your left. To the left, you have your closet past the mirror. You have hangers, iron board, safe. You do get plenty of closet space. And more hangers. And I don't think this is supposed to be open, but looks like your heater and air conditioner. To the right, you have your place where you can put makeup. This is a king size bed. The view of the snacks you could purchase. A closer look at the one above. Here's the mini fridge. It's filled with alcohol. And some water and soda as well. Take a view of your drawer space. You have 2 drawers. To the right is this shelf space. This room does come with a desk and some couches for lounging. You do have a meeting table in case you want to eat some snacks or watching TV. And here's the overview of the room. Way to the bathroom area. You have your shower, stand-up shower. Toilet room, toilet paper, painting. Turn on water, just turn the knob. Here's the bathtub. And your main sink. You have tissue, towels below, hair dryer. This is where you can find hand towels, shampoo, body wash, lotion, hand soap. Yeah, plug in next to the sink. And that basically concludes the tour. Please subscribe and like this video. Until next time.